This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, January 26, 2014. And now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run. At noon today, unfortunately, it's that infamous upper-level feature known as the polar vortex that never goes away, but it's over us, and that means it's going to get a lot colder around here. Some energy coming around the base of it, and you can see the snow that came through last night into this morning moving to our east. Still could see some flurries or light snow showers throughout the day as temperatures just tumble from early day highs in the 20s and 30s down into the single digits and teens below zero Monday morning. Monday during the day will struggle to reach zero. Many areas below zero, especially in the northern half to two-thirds of the state. It'll be mainly sunny, but it'll be quite cold. Tuesday morning could be very cold. Could be the coldest morning of the year. Lows, teens, and 20s below zero, and highs still below zero for the northern, or at least northeastern half of the state. May squeak out a few single digits to near 10 in the southwest. Wednesday, winds turn southwesterly. That's going to boost temperatures back into the teens and 20s across the area. But don't count on that lasting too long because it's not really going to. A frontal system, a weak system at that, may bring a few light snow showers or flurries Wednesday night into Thursday. That'll drop temperatures at least into the teens to near 20 for highs. No more real bitter cold, maybe a few lows below zero. Friday, you can see the next system approaching from the west. There could be some snow breaking out across Nebraska, the Dakotas, into Wyoming, and Montana and Colorado. And that'll be moving in Friday night into Saturday, and we'll have to watch that to see if we get some accumulating snow with that. Saturday during the day, it'll be slowly clearing, with readings still maybe around 12 to 22 across the state. A week from today, next Sunday, you can see there's no big trough and no big ridge, so it's pretty zonal. A little bit of energy over central California and into the Intermountain West, and that's something we'll have to watch a couple of days after this point. Otherwise, next Sunday it looks like some rain across the south, a little bit of lake effect snow in the northern and northwestern lakes, and some snow in the Rockies and into Utah's Wasatch Mountain Range. As we go into the extended period on February 6th, we still have pretty much a zonal flow, although a lot of cold air still dumping into at least Canada and maybe even New England at this point, with some energy over the eastern Great Lakes. That could produce some snow there. We have some rain across the Gulf Coast into the Mid-Atlantic, some snow in the high plains westward through the Rockies and into the Pacific Northwest, where there could see some valley rain as well. And then at the end of the forecast on February 10th, we still have pretty much a zonal flow. And isn't that's much more exciting than having 25 below zero lows. So this would show temperatures near to maybe a skosh below average for the early to middle part of February. Highs maybe around 20, give or take a couple degrees. A little bit of snow around, but this is more than 2 weeks out, so this will likely change on future model runs. Satellite image from last evening, you can see the next storm system coming down from the north and west with some clouds and a little bit of snow. One storm moving off the northeast coast into the Canadian Maritimes, and some high and mid-level clouds over Texas and Louisiana. Watch warning map from last evening, very active. Plethora of winter weather and wind issues across the northern tier of the country. There's so many, it'll take like 30 minutes to get through them all, so you can see them as you can see them there. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, showing precipitation from about nothing in the southwestern counties to upwards of a quarter to a third of an inch. Of course, all of that in the form of snow.